Hello guys, how are you all? In this video you will see garden decoration ideas. Garden decoration refers to the art and practice of enhancing the aesthetic appeal and functionality of a garden. It involves the use of various elements such as plants, ornaments, lighting and furniture to create a pleasing outdoor environment. Decorations can reflect personal style, cultural themes, or seasonal changes. A well decorated garden not only adds beauty to a space but also provides a peaceful retreat for relaxation and leisure. Garden decoration is the part of enhancing outdoor spaces with natural and man-made elements to create a peaceful, inviting, and aesthetically pleasing environment. It blends creativity with nature, turning ordinary gardens into magical retreats. A well-decorated garden goes by beyond just planting flowers. It includes carefully chosen items such as furniture, lighting, ornaments, water features, and themed zones. Garden decorations is the art of enhanced outdoor spaces. A well-decorated garden goes beyond just planting flowers. It includes carefully chosen items such as furniture, lighting, whether it's a cozy rustic style, a modern minimalistic look, or a vibrant colorful paradise. Key elements often used in garden decoration includes plants and planters, lighting, furniture, ornaments, water features. Garden decoration not only adds beauty but also promotes relaxation, boosts mood, and provides a serene space for family and guests together. Whether small or spacious, every garden can become a sanctuary with thoughtful decorations. Garden decorations nowadays are very popular in trend. Create charming walkways using pebbles, bricks, stepping stones, or wooden plants. Line the path with small lights, plants, or decorative borders. Consider curved paths to add depth and a natural flow to the garden layout. These are very creative and reusable garden decoration ideas with waste materials. I really hope that you will like it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care of yourself and remember me in your prayers. Bye bye.